Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can connect your headphone to your laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you need is obviously your headphone right here. Here you can see this is the cable of my headphone. Now you have to make sure that you have your headphone cable port on your laptop. Here you can see on my laptop the port is on the right side right here next to this USB cable. It can vary from the type of laptop that you own, so it can be on your left side or right side. So all you need to do is simply connect this cable to this port just like this. Here you can see I'm going to now insert it, and here you can see I have successfully inserted this cable to this port, and now you have successfully been connected to your headphone. So in order to make sure, you can simply just click on these icons that you can see right here. And after clicking on these icons here, you can see your volume adjustment right here. And in the side of this volume adjustment here, you can see these arrow. You can click on this arrow like this. And in here, you can see the headphone has successfully been connected to your laptop. This is the headphone that we have connected. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can connect your headphone to your laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.